In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover photo to Google Docs. If you want to make your document look more polished, professional, or visually appealing, adding a cover image is a simple way to do it. This can be especially useful for reports, presentations, proposals, class projects, or any document where you want to create a strong first impression. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Google Doc where you want to add the cover photo. Make sure you're in the correct document before making any changes. Once the document is open, go to the top menu and click on Format. Inside the Format menu, look for the option that says Switch to Pageless Format and click it. This step is important because pageless format gives you more flexibility when working with larger visuals, especially if you want the image to feel more like a full-width cover rather than something restricted by traditional page boundaries. If your document changes appearance slightly after switching formats, that's normal. After that, move to the top menu again and click on Insert. This is where you'll add the image into your document. In the Insert options, choose Upload from Computer. That will open your device's file browser so you can locate the image you want to use as your cover photo. Now select the cover image you want from your device. Choose a photo that matches the purpose and tone of your document. For example, if it's a business document, a clean and professional image usually works best. If it's for a school project or creative piece, you might want something more visually expressive. Once you select the image, it will upload directly into your Google Doc. After the image appears, you can position it at the top of the document so it functions as a cover photo. If needed, you can also adjust its size so it looks balanced and fits nicely within the layout. A wider image often works better for cover style formatting, and higher resolution images usually look cleaner and sharper. That's all it takes to add a cover photo to Google Docs. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and feels. If you're creating documents regularly, this is a great technique to keep in mind whenever you want a more polished final result.